I study the lived experiences of women who have endometriosis in Nigeria, and I try to understand how gender, reproductive expectations, sociocultural norms, how they affect the lives of these women. On the other side, I also try to see how women respond to these pressures. So how are they advocating for themselves? How do they create support systems? How do they ensure that their healthcare priorities are met? So how are they exerting their agency? How are they seeking care? How are they insisting on being seen by doctors? How are they insisting on diagnosis and treatment? How do they even decide what kinds of treatment that they should be getting? So those are the kind of things that I'm interested in. In 2025, I was awarded the CSWS Graduate Research Grant, and that helped me travel to Nigeria in summer of 2025. I'm actually from Nigeria, so this was me going back home. So in Nigeria, I was able to connect with women who do have endometriosis. I was able to also connect with non-profit organizations who do endometriosis awareness. They have support groups for women, which I was able to join online. And I had conversations with a couple of women about their experiences and how their lives have been going since being diagnosed with this disease. I found a lot of interesting things, and the preliminary research that I did over summer was able to help me expand my work in ways that I did not even think about. When I was going on to the field, I was thinking about how society affects the lives of women. But upon talking with these women, I realized that women are actually not passive participants. They are responding in very creative ways. They're creating support groups, they're talking to each other, they're referring each other to doctors. I found women who had to quit school for this. I found women who had to quit their jobs for this, but have been able to start businesses of their own, and I've been able to help others do the same thing. As a two-time awardee of the CSWS Graduate Research Grant, I cannot overemphasize how amazing this experience has been for me. The CSWS has funded 2 rounds of preliminary research for me. Without that, I would not have been able to do that. Airfare to Nigeria is really expensive. So that is a blessing for me. With my experience as a fellow of the CSWS, I've been able to think about my work in very interesting ways. I've been able to expand my research to include things that I would not have otherwise thought about. Being able to travel and be on the ground in Nigeria is such an amazing experience. It makes, well, as an anthropologist, we have to go to site, basically. We say that we're going to do a field work. I would not be able to do field work without CSWS funding, basically, so I'm really, really grateful for that. I do encourage grad students who are doing research in gender studies or feminisms or whatever thing you're doing that has to do with women or gender to apply to the CSWS grant. This is a great opportunity for you, and I think you'll have a great time being a fellow of the CSWS.